we are going to be making the magical witch's brew. Okay, so what we need is a spoon, bicarbonate of soda, some food colouring of your choice, some vinegar, and of course, a jar or container. Okay, so the first step is to take the bicarbonate of soda, get a spoonful, try to get it all in the jar. Okay, now we take some food colouring. I'm going to just do the yellow here, and we just put a few drops of food colouring. That's a bit much. And then what we do is we take our lavender bag and we just pour the vinegar in. And what vinegar does, as it's an acid, is it mixes up with the bicarbonate of soda, that's creating bubbles.
Can you get it really high, please?
Okay. Well, it's quite high now, so
We're really high.
okay. Try and make it overflow. Oops. It's just a big pot of bubbles. The
What?
colour is better on the other side, so there's the yellow colouring.
Okay.
Oh.
What gas is in the
So-
bubbles?
So the gas, the acid, vinegar, as I'm using here, you can also use like lemon juice and the bicarbonate of soda. When they mix together, they make a chemical reaction, and they make a gas called carbon dioxide. And each of these little bubbles is not filled by air, but with that gas. So. You can also use blue colouring, you can use colouring gel, you can use green, but we're using yellow.